How to verify your Sidra account. This update is strictly for those that have not done their KYC before, especially those of my Ghanaian friends, Pakistan, Ghana, and all other people that did not have a validator during the time of physical KYC verification. This update is strictly for you. So if you are a Ghanaian or Indian and you have not done your KYC, come closer. I'm going to show you what you need to do to get your account verified. So what you are going to do is log into your Sidra app. Use the continue with Google option. That will help you to log in immediately. And if you are finding it difficult to log in, all you have to do is to go to your browser, that is your Chrome browser, clear your cache so that you have a fresh site for this. Then you can retry it and definitely you are going to log in. Just continue with Google, it is faster. Even to continue with email is faster, but for email they will send you OTP. You will now go and copy the OTP and continue. But if you use continue with Google, automatically it will bring an interface for you to select your Sidra email address. So once you select your Sidra email address, it will open like this. You will be seeing here, for those that have not done their KYC before, you will see here your status. Fill in your information. Make sure that whatever you are filling there tallies with your address. Sure that all the information you are going to fill on your profile details will tally exactly so that you will not have issue. So once you put that, automatically they are going to verify you. And I did not just wake up and started recording this video. Many people watched my last video yesterday on how to check your status, and a lot of people reached out to me asking if they can verify their account, that they are Ghanaians, Pakistan, they did not do KYC before. This thing I'm telling you is what I told them, and they came back today with a result. I'm still going to show you that. So all you need to do is to put your details and verify yourself. No, Sidra made it this way so that those people in a country that did not have validator initially can perform their KYC at the comfort of their home. So once you put your details, they are going to ask you to take a selfie and you are going to snap your ID. Make sure that your background is bright and your ID card, you snap it correctly. Position is very well rectangular so that you capture it and take a clear selfie. And automatically, if you finish everything, you are going to see that your account is verified. So if you come over to this my identity, after you might have put everything, you are going to see you are verified. I am not capping. People are doing what I'm saying and they are seeing the result. So let me go to my WhatsApp and show you all the messages I have gotten, and even on our WhatsApp group, people that really followed the steps of what I said and they got their account verified at the comfort of their home without looking for a third party, which is the validator. So coming to my WhatsApp, God gave me this update. Yesterday he asked, okay, I have been tried many times, I'm not verified. I told him go to your profile status and fill your details and wait for their update. That was what I told him yesterday night, and this morning he did exactly what I said. Look at his profile. You can see his profile and he's gotten you are verified. He did it on his own without any third party, without any validator, and you can see that his account is verified. So coming to our WhatsApp group, a lot of people are also getting their accounts verified by watching my video, doing what I told them to do. Look at this person by uploading their profile details, doing it now, not those people that have already passed their KYC. So after you have passed your KYC, once you see that you are verified here on your status, the next thing to do is to do the two-factor authenticator. So I did this one this morning, the Google Authenticator app. You know how to do this, but this one is a bit tricky. a bit tricky in the sense that the normal Google Authenticator that we did initially is for you to copy the code. Once you copy the code, you go over to your Google Authenticator. I believe everybody knows how to do this. If you don't have Google Authenticator, go to your Play Store, search for Google Authenticator. Then once you download it, you are going to add your Sidra email address. Then once you go there, the next thing to do is, let me quickly show you. So once you come to your Google Authenticator, it will look like this. The next thing you are going to do is to click on this plus sign. Once you tap on this plus sign, you are going to see enter key. That key that you copy from your Sidra, that code that is alphabetical, capital letters that you copied from your Google Authenticator app inside your Sidra app, you come over to this center to add the code. Now you are going to write any name, maybe Sidra Network KYC port, anything you want to use to remember it. Then that key that you copied, you paste the key here. Then you click on add. So once you add it, whichever thing that you copied is going to be showing Sidra Chain KYC. So you copy that code and move back to your Sidra here Authenticator app. You are going to see a place where you will put that code. Then put that code. The Sidra team is now going to generate a recovery code for you. And this recovery code, you have to save it in your phone or you write it down. You save it on your phone notebook and equally write it down, because you eventually lose your phone and you don't have access to your Google Authenticator. With that code, that recovery code that you wrote on a piece of paper, you can easily use it to log into your Sidra app. So that is the essence, writing it down on a piece of paper so that you will have full access to your Sidra app. Now, I did the pass key as well, and look at what they are telling me now. Some security details could not be refreshed. Please open security to retry. All this thing because Sidra is still doing their upgrade. I'm not going to do it again because I have done it. So for the add a pass key, all you have to do is to maybe use your phone lockup or your biometric. That's your biometric. Use your hand to unlock your phone. That is very, very simple. Just follow the process. Continue with your phone lockup key and you add this one. I did it, but it's showing this now. So this is what you need to do once you see that verified option. Once you see that you are verified, you do this now to secure your account. So if you wish to upgrade to V2 verification, now to upgrade to V2 verification, you click on this upgrade now and take a selfie. But this one is not mandatory. Like I said, the most important thing is to see your account verified. So that is it for this video. I believe with this, you have understand how to apply for Sidra KYC for those that have not done it before. This Sidra major update, KYC port update infrastructure is just to enable users to verify their account seamlessly without any validator. You are going to hold your phone, have a strong internet, upload your profile and take a selfie, and the system will verify your account. So make sure your details tally exactly with your ID and you will not have any issues at all. So see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys.